Hello and welcome to part 2 of using sets in Python. So what we're going to be covering is some set operations. So the first one is we're going to cover is finding the union of sets. So the union of two sets is a set that contains all the elements of both sets. In Python, you can call the union method to get the union of two sets. The method will return a set that contains the elements of both set 1 and set 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and declare a couple sets. So we will declare set 1 and I will go ahead and output the contents, and we will declare set 2 and I will go ahead and display the contents of set 2. So now if we want to do a union of set 1 and set 2 and save it in set 3, we could just go ahead and type in set 3 equals set 1, and then it would be union set 2, and then what this should contain is all the elements that are in both sets, and as you can see, it does not include any duplicates, so it just contains the unique elements that are available in the two sets. You can also use the pipe operator to find the union of two sets. So let me just go ahead and set 3 equal to the empty set, verify that it's equal to the empty set, and what you could do is write set 3 equals to set 1, then you would use the pipe, set 2, and then if we display the contents of set 3 now, it's the unique members of both set 1 and set 2. So basically, the union does not include any duplicates. Finding the intersection of sets. The intersection of two sets is a set that contains only the elements that are found in both sets. In Python, you can call the intersection method to get the intersection of two sets. So again, what we're going to be using is the contents of set 1 and set 2. They have not been updated. And what I'll type in is set 3 equals set 1, and we will call the intersection, passing in set 2. So what it should do is contain only the elements that are found in both sets. So what it should do, set 3 should now only contain 3 and 4. Oh, I need to spell intersection correctly. There we go. So it only contains 3 and 4. You can also use the ampersand operator to find the intersection of two sets. So let me go ahead and set 3 equal to the empty set. Verify that it's set to the empty set. And what I can do now is I can go ahead and put set 3 equals to set 1 ampersand set 2. Again, it should return 3 and 4. So it returns 3 and 4. Finding the differences of sets. The difference of set 1 and set 2 is the elements that appear in set 1 but do not appear in set 2. In Python, you can call the difference method to get the difference of two sets. So let me go ahead. We're going to use set 1 and set 2 again, so I'll just verify that they're still the same. And what I will do, I will go ahead and type set 3 equals set 1, and that difference of set 2. So what should be returned in set 3 are 1 and 2. So we'll go ahead and display set 3, and it's 1 and 2. So it's the elements that do not appear in set 2 when you do a difference. So set 1 had 1, 2, 3, 4. Set 2 had 3, 4, 5, 6. So elements 3 and 4 appear in set 2, so the difference would just be elements 1 and 2. You can also use the dash operator or minus operator to find the difference of two sets. So let me just go ahead and set set 3 to the empty set again, verify it's the empty set, and then what I'll do is I'll set 3 equal, and what I'm going to do is find the difference between set 2 minus set 1. So if we look at those before we run the operation, the elements that are in set 2 that are not in set 1 are 5 and 6. Set 1 has 3 and 4, but it does not have 5 and 6, so we'll run set 3, and again it comes back with elements 5 and 6. And then finally you can find the symmetric difference of sets. The symmetric difference of two sets is a set that contains the elements are not shared by the set. So in other words, it is the elements that are in one set but not in both sets. So in Python you can call this symmetric underscore difference method to get the symmetric difference of two sets. So again, I will use my set 1 and my set 2 to go ahead and run that. So set 3 will equal set 1, and my symmetric difference will be set 2. So if we go ahead and type in set 3, what it does is it contains the elements that are not common to both sets. So it contains 1, 2, 5, and 6. It contains the elements that are found in either set 1 or set 2, but not in both sets. And then finally you can use the caret operator to find the symmetric difference of two sets. So let me just go ahead and set set 3 equal to the empty set again. And we'll verify that it's the empty set, and now I can set set 3 equal to set 2, symmetric difference of set 1, and it should return the same value up above. So we'll type in set 3, and again it returns the items, a set that contains the elements that are found in either set 1 or set 2, but not both sets. So those are the 4 set methods that I wanted to go through in this video. They were the union, the intersection, the difference, and the symmetric difference. So that's all I had for this video, so we will talk to you later.